freely responding to God's call. The SVD lay partners are those who live their lives in accordance to Christ's mandate, to serve the people in the light of the mission of the Society of the Divine Word. Therefore, they join the group to be partners in the mission with the Society. They are independent groups carrying out missionary activities in the charism of the Arnoldus family. 18th General Chapter, Resolution number 1.1.4. On the 4th of August 2019, we gave this partnership a name, the SVD-PHN Mission Partners. On the 5th of August 2024, we gave this partnership a backbone, the SVD-PHN Mission Partners Manual. The SVD-PHN Mission Partners Manual is a product of a 6-year journey of dialogue and of understanding the diverse nature of mission partners in the Philippine Northern Province. This journey started on August 3 to 4, 2019, during the first SVD-PHN Lay Partners Workshop, an offshoot of the 2-week First International SVD Lay Partners Workshop at Centro Ad Gentes, Nemi, Rome, in October 2017. On the 4th of August 2019, this partnership was given a name, the SVD-PHN Mission Partners, a coordinating body of all mission partners' initiatives and endeavors of SVD Mission Partners groups in the province. Subsequently, the visits to the different districts from 2021 to present and the meetings with the mission partners, whether organized and spontaneous, gave a clearer picture of the diversity of involvements of SVD-PHN Mission Partners as co-responsible in the missionary endeavors of SVD-PHN. The online thematic meetings via Zoom every Wednesday from 2020 to 2023 provided an opportunity to discuss and experience more what this partnership, what this co-responsibility is all about. Dubbed Usapang Misyon 2024 and 2025, the guide questionnaires for communal reflection for SVD lay partners from the SVD Generalate for the 19th SVD General Chapter helped a lot in expanding our reflections and discussions as mission partners of the Society. On February 27 and 28, 2023, the framework for the SVD-PHN Mission Partners Manual was created and approved during the 2-day meeting at the Holy Family Parish, Sadsadan, Baguio Mountain Province. All of which, the fruits and results of the reflections, discussions, and encounters were put together to form the 6 parts of the SVD-PHN Mission Partners Manual. On the 5th of August 2024, during the 3-day first joint SVD-PHN District Mission Coordinators and SVD-PHN Mission Partners General Assembly from August 4 to 6, 2024 at the SVD Retreat House in Baguio, the mission partners present with the raise of hands overwhelming adopted the SVD-PHN Mission Partners Manual and recommended it for submission and final approval to the Mission Secretary and the SVD-PHN leadership. It was an enriching and empowering exchange of thoughts. Indeed, partners, we are in the mission, one Arnoldus family for the mission.
Gather your people together at the breaking of the bread. With your light renew the face of the earth. From this day on and tomorrow, give us new birth. We ask you this in the This